Hi everyone, so today I'm going to create a graphic eye makeup look. To prep my face, I used the TrySUGAR setting mist and then I applied the primer. I used the most Eligiblur smoothing primer. After that, I went in with Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 32 and I'm applying it all over my face. And after that, I will just buff all that foundation out using the brush that is on the back of this foundation stick. The brush is so dense that it makes the foundation so easy to blend on the skin. After that, I picked up Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette and on an angular brush, I'm taking the grey shade and applying it in a graphic shape on my eyelid, and then picking up a pencil brush, I'm just filling it in. You don't have to be too precise with the wing because at the end we are going to clean it up with the concealer. Here I'm taking Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 12 and I'm applying it on the inner side of my under eye and then just under where the wing of the eyeshadow is on my forehead and just below where I'll contour my face, and blending it out with the same brush. Post that, I took the Contour Deephues face palette in 02 Vivid Victory and I am using the contour shade. I picked it up on a fluffy blending brush and I am applying it on the hollows of my cheeks and then on the sides of my nose, just to make my nose look a bit more chiseled. And this contour has a red tone in it which acts as a great bronzer. After that, I'm picking up this highlighter shade and I'm applying it on the high points of my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose. Then going in with this pretty pink blush, I'm applying it on the apple of my cheeks, just to bring a nice flush of the rose pink on the cheeks, and then setting it with the setting spray. Then I'm going with the Sugar Kajal and applying it on my waterline and smoking it out with the same black shade that's available in the eyeshadow palette. And then I picked up the Art Arrival Brow Definer in 01 and I am brushing my eyebrows and then filling them in. For the lashes, I'm using Lash Mob Limitless Mascara and I'm applying it on my eyelashes, curling them up a little bit. And finally going in with Sugar Matte Attack Transferproof lipstick in the shade 01 Bold Play. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep on watching the channel. Bye bye.